Okay friends, here is my potatoes. This is fresh chilies, garlic and ginger, and this is meat. Now I'm going to mix this. Add salt as required. 2 tablespoons Chapli Kebab masala, half tablespoon black pepper, half tablespoon red chili powder. Mix it again. There are two reasons that I am adding the bread. First, it will give a good taste to kebab, and the second, if the bread will help the kebab to not spread.
Hello friends, this is Napeeb from Best Spicy Recipes. I hope you are fine and healthy in these dark coronavirus days. So today I'm going to share with you Afghani Chapli Kebab recipe. This is a new recipe, the new way I'm going to show you how to make the Afghani Chapli Kebab. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share my videos.
Okay friends, here is my 400 grams meat. I have used mutton. And I have taken out the meat from the grinder machine. Now in this step I'm going to take out the boiled potatoes from grinder machine and bread. I have used homemade bread. You can use any bread, but the bread should be wheat bread. With the bread and potatoes I'm going to take out the garlic, fresh green chilies and ginger. Okay friends, here is my potatoes. This is fresh chilies, garlic and ginger, and this is meat. So I'm going to mix. Now I'm going to mix this. Mix it well. Okay friends, now I'm going to add other ingredients like salt and other masala. Add salt as required. 2 tablespoons Chapli Kebab masala. This masala has already coriander seeds and cumin, half tablespoon black pepper, half tablespoon red chili powder, mix it again. There are two reasons that I am adding the bread. First, it will give a good taste to kebab, and the second, if the bread will help the kebab to not spread. Now I'm going to add the bread as required. Mix it. Add the bread till the meat is not sticky. Suppose if meat is sticky, then add more bread. If not, then it's enough. Okay friends, I'm going to use this to form the kebab well and to give it a good shape. You can use anything, it is entirely up to you. When you're making the kebab, please use this plastic. This plastic will help you a lot. Push it. Well, with this thing, the kebab easy to make. Now friends, gently. You can see, friend, now it has very good shape. So it is the benefit of using this thing. Well, you can do it with anything as you wish. Let's make the second one. This is my second one. We'll make all the meat just like this. And now let's go to fry the meat. Okay friends, keep the heat low. The low heat I'm going to make the chapli kebab, because if you cook chapli kebab in high heat, then the inside of the kebab will not get cooked. Add oil as required. Okay friends, when oil is hot, and add the meat. You can see the plastic helps a lot. Add the second one and the third one. In the low heat, fry the kebab, so the inside and outside of the kebab will get cooked and fried. Okay friends, wait till one side get cooked. And when one side gets cooked, and flip it to another side. Suppose friend, the meat is separating like this, so add more bread. The kebab fried well, both inside and the outside, because I have kept the heat low. This is all about chapli kebab, the way in the new style and the new way. So I hope you enjoy watching this video.